You okay?
Pain. I'm in a lot of pain.
I think we'll work out of it though. We'll get through it. Remember, you're a stud, okay? Come on.
Pressure treated plywood is a hateful material to work with.
So this is probably one of the worst jobs doing this. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Plan today, guys, is to get all the plywood done. It's pressure treated plywood, so it's a little bit heavy. This first portion is going to be fairly easy. There's not many penetrations up here. We have a lot of clearance. Going towards the back, we got about 3 feet of clearance, and that's where I guess the ductwork comes down for the dryer, all the plumbing, and the gas lines. So it's going to turn into a tough day. We're going to be sore, definitely.
And that's what I'm talking about. That's much better. See, now this situation I can do. I can work like this.
You realize we've done 3 sheets, right?
Yeah. We probably have like 30 left to go, at least.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think the last time that we were working underneath the house, after we were done, I went and I ate an entire large pizza to myself.
Yes.
A chocolate cake and like half of a sub.
And I think we found another project to do.
We never came back to it.
Now here it is 6 months later.
And I suddenly remember why we didn't come back to it.
We have decided to call in reinforcements.
A 9-year-old and an 11-year-old. They're strong enough. They're old enough. My back hurts. Hayden's stronger than Aaron.
Yeah, Hayden's also 10, by the way. He's not 9.
Whatever.
But you know.
What's his name again? Free labor too. So I'm not paying him. I'm just gonna pay him pizza at night. Done.
All right, so we're gonna knock this out.
Oh boys!
And there they are. Come on, muscles. Show me those muscles, Haiti. Give me a flex. Oh my God. I can't put that on camera. That dance move came directly from you.
Bye guys. Thanks guys.
All right, you're free. Thanks for your help.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. Thanks for my pizza.
Have fun at the creek.
I want 2 chocolate cakes.
Oh my gosh. He upsold you. Look at that.
I want 6. I'm 16 chocolate cakes. They want 50 pizzas.
Work?
That's what I'm looking at.
I hope so. Measure once, cut once, right?
I'll put it in the hole.
Now is it will fit? Look up.
It's completely over top of that. I did it without looking.
Oh.
I can't see it but my hat.
You can't see above your hat? No. Oh my god. Take it out.
That's all that was standing in between us and getting it up there?
Yes, pretty much. Just that much. Well, I measured once and cut once.
I know you did.
That's the way I roll. Look, my eyes are blue, dude. That's how you fell in love with me. Dark hair, blue eyes. We all know. I know. It's a fact.
It must be that, because usually I'm not in a short stature. You're so handsome, though. You know what I mean?
Guys, so much.
Good job. Woo! The truth is, it's a brutal job, and I hate every minute of it.
Yeah, it's borderline awful. I'm calling a lot of ibuprofen tomorrow. It's calling that.
Ibuprofen and coffee for breakfast so that we can get it done.
So it's not a complicated job.
No.
All we're doing is screwing sheetrock up, but it's pressure treated, so it's heavier
Yes,
and it gets tight.
it does. It's gonna
It's
get
tight.
worse as we work our way back that way.
And all those plumbing fittings.
But we'll get it done, and we'll never have to do it again, right?
Almost there.
How low can you go?
Push it, push it!
Oh, is that good? You alive? You go right there?
Okay, there's a.
Are we going up?
I mean, yeah. Bring it to me some more, though, girl.
Alright, that's as close as I'm gonna get.
You got it.
Thanks, Josh.
More power to you, girl. Oh, what? Keep pushing, girl.
Are we having fun yet?
I'm exhausted. You okay?
Pain. I'm in a lot of pain.
I think we'll work out of it though. We'll get to it. Oopsie.
My whole body's shaking.
Looks like you missed that one, girl. That one made contact. How do you get in that position to hold that thing up like that big?
It's so much easier.
Like that thing on camera here doesn't even look like your real leg. Looks like you grab a play leg and just stood up there, dude. It's so funny.
Okay.
You recording me again?
I would never record you dancing, Josh. It's embarrassing.
Wait.
Now it looks like we only have one area that we're gonna need to do a small section in right here to cut around, right, Josh?
Yeah, it's gonna be the worst spot right here. It's not that bad.
But then the rest of the way down, we're thinking that we're gonna be able to do full sheets.
Yeah, we'll probably skip this one right here
Yes,
and just work this way and go straight down.
with all full sheets.
Yeah.
Because the other side's the one where everything's gonna have to be cut the whole way back. But the rest of this way, it's gonna be a tight space, but it's all gonna be full sheets. Which will make things easier, I guess, right? At least less cutting anyway.
Hopefully.
Josh is having trouble. He keeps missing the screws, so he had to call in me to help him out.
It's not true. Not true at all. I'm getting it in, girl. When you were slacking, I came in and took over. Good game. Good job. Pizza time!
Yeah!